Hi, welcome to DMN-WESTINGHOUSE, DMN UK office and training facility. My name's Dave Howell, General Manager. Why don't you come on in and see what we're about? Here we are inside the office and training facility. We're in Cairn in Wiltshire, and from here we support our total customer base through UK, through Ireland and other associated territories. Here you can get up close with the components, with our whole scope of supply, demonstrate and test and validate. So that's what we're looking to do here today. So for our customers, distributors and partners, this facility offers a hands-on approach. We here at DMN don't look to sell a component alone. We look to integrate within the client's whole process. To that end, assessing issues, any problems, the integration and the validation of that solution. And this facility is a major part of that process and approach. So in here, we can offer customer demonstrations, product trials. We can look deeper into process optimization, giving consultation on those elements, all looking towards that pre-installation confidence building process. So we can demonstrate the full DMN-WESTINGHOUSE product range, rotary valves through to diverter valves. For example, this is our premier MZC, top of the range in terms of rotary valve design and engineering. We can look at specifics such as rotor interference detection system, the RID. Andy is currently looking at a customer-centric parameters. He's looking to make sure they're valid and verified for a given product. We have the full range of DMN-WESTINGHOUSE diverter valves, from flap type to plug type to tube type, and in particular the twin plug type diverter valve, which is probably the most recognized within process and conveying systems. And here we have the latest derivative, which has adopted many new design features. No longer do we have to consider bonding seals in place. Now they can be popped out, popped back in, maximizing uptime, minimizing downtime. Who will be interested in coming to the facility? Well, anyone who is involved in handling dry bulk solids, powders and pellets. Other equipment manufacturers, integrators, end users, basically specialists in food and beverage, dairy processors, nutraceuticals, pet foods, chemicals, plastics. We realize our customers handle sensitive products. They can't afford to get the valve specification wrong. Here, we provide that risk reduction by verifying design. We manage expectations by process optimization, not just equipment, but whole system thinking. We build that confidence throughout ownership, even through to planning preventative maintenance regimes. All this whilst having direct face-to-face contact with the UK technical support team. Recently, we were approached by a local UPVC extruding company who were concerned about wear and air leakage on their existing blowing seal. This was affecting their conveying system, the efficiencies therein. So they came to us for advice. We looked at it with them, we reviewed the valve that they had, and we looked at a rethink of design and specification. Ultimately, that resulted in improvements, less air consumption and beneficial production uptime. New Zealand, we have had a prominent dairy industry service partner attend for full MZC rotary valve strip and rebuild, along with the PTD diverter valve, valves that are integral to that industry. They're now back in the territory and delivering a quality service program planned to give preventative maintenance to that end user. So we're taking this opportunity to highlight and spotlight the latest version of our multi-port tube diverter valve, or MTDV, if we like to call it. The multi-port diverter valve, as it says, ranges from 4 to 14 lines. The valve can be incorporated to be one in, multiple out, diverging, or multiple in, one out, converging. Operationally, minus 20 degrees to plus 100 degrees C, and vacuum conveying through to plus 3 bar gauge. The valve itself has incorporated a number of new design features, but the main thing to remember is that it's a smaller footprint, replacing multiple conventional two-way diverter valves. So for 14 way, you'll be replacing something like 13 two-way diverter valves. Less I/O, less control, less volume, less footprint. Fewer valves benefits the product. We have a swan neck here which reduces degradation and impact on the product itself, benefiting in the final article, but also benefiting conveying line efficiencies. The fewer bends, the fewer changes of direction, the better. Fewer moving parts. Overall, that's better for maintenance, for service, and for downtime intervals. Maintaining uptime, reducing overall cost of ownership. Where is the MTDV used? Well, it's wherever we're conveying pneumatically, vacuum, of dry bulk solids, powders and pellets. So we're talking tea, coffee, food, dairy, right the way through to animal feed pellet and aquaculture applications. Most recently, ice in a fish processing plant, conveying ice to different parts of the factory. Whether it's 40 millimeter or 150 millimeter, the standard finish internally is 0.8 RA. But where hygiene or USDA requirements demand, we can look at higher finishes. Even the visibility through the Perspex cover, that's not just for demonstration or an exhibition, that is a configurable option so that we get full visibility of what's happening inside the valve. Why DMN? What sets us apart? Long-standing experience in bulk materials handling, process focus, not just product focus, local support, backed by global engineering and R&D expertise. This facility is a differentiator. The UK team understands industry needs from a plant and factory-focused approach. With full access to DMN's global engineering expertise, our goal is long-term relationships. Our customers don't just want a valve. They want confidence, they want reliability, they want integrity. That's what we deliver, and this facility is proof of that commitment. So the UK facility removes risk and builds confidence, supporting the customer with a complete process solution. Products like the MTDV and the MZC designed to support the product and the system. If you work with pellets or powders and want to ensure systems work the way you want them to, come and visit us in Caen. Visit DMN-WESTINGHOUSE UK, contact myself, Dave, or any of the team members, and come and find out about the products we offer and the solutions for your process.